कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार।
A very good morning to the respected principals, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Patel Brumil from 9th A. As we all have gathered here today to celebrate Teachers' Day. So on this occasion, I want to tell you a story about the creation of teachers. One day, the good Lord was creating teachers. It was his 6th day of overtime, and he thought teachers would touch the lives of so many impressionable young children. An angel appeared to him and said, "My Lord, you are taking a long time to figure this one out." "Yes," said the Lord, "but have you read the specs on this order? First, they must stand above all students yet be on their level. Second, they must communicate vital knowledge to all students daily and be right most of the time. Third, they must have more time for others than from him or herself. Fourth, they must have a smile that can endure through pay cuts, problematic children and worried parents. Fifth, they must go on teaching when others question every move and others are not supportive. Sixth, they must have 6 pairs of hands and 3 pairs of eyes." Then angel exclaimed, "6 pairs of hands and 3 pairs of eyes?" Lord replied, "Yes, 6 pairs of hands for multitasking, and that's not the problem. But 3 pairs of eyes, where one can see a student for what he or she is and not what others have labeled them as. Second, can see the back of the teacher's head to see what should not be seen but what must be known. And third, can only to look at the child as he or she acts out in order to reflect. I understand still believe in you. Without so much as saying a word to the child, I am creating one that comes to work when they are sick. Teaches a class of children that do not want to learn. They have a special place in heart of children who are not his or her own. And finally, Lord replied, Angel, this is a large project as I am creating something much like myself. So I think this day is a special day for all of us where we can pay a healthy tribute to our dear teachers and who take unending efforts to build our future. This is the day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. So, let us give a big round of applause to our dear and respected teachers. Happy Teachers Day!
थैंक यू। कौन है प्रिंसिपल किधर है? प्रिंसिपल
The next program is a poem by Hinan Luhar of 11th Commerce.
जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है। कुछ इसी तरह से हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है। अज्ञान को मिटाकर ज्ञान का दीपक जलाया है। गुरु कृपा से मैंने ये अनमोल शिक्षा पाया है, जिसे देता है हर व्यक्ति सम्मान, जो करता है वीरों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, ऐसे गुरु को हम करते हैं प्रणाम। गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था, पहचान बना दिया, दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया। उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई, गुरु ने मुझे एक सच्चा इंसान बना दिया। गुरु बिना ज्ञान कहाँ, उसके ज्ञान का आदि न अंत यहाँ। गुरु ने दी शिक्षा जहाँ, उठी शिष्टाचार की मूरत वहाँ। दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें। है आभारी उन गुरुओं के हमें, जो किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें, जो बनाए हमें इंसान, दे सही गलत की पहचान। उन शिक्षकों प्रणाम। शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। माता गुरु है, पिता भी गुरु है, विद्यालय के अध्यापक भी गुरु है। जिससे भी कुछ सीखा है हमने, हमारे लिए हर वो शख्स गुरु है। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल। थैंक यू।
Next is a poem by Ronit Singh of 9th standard. By Ronit. A very good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. We all have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Today's day is a special day for all of us where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teachers who takes untiring effort to build our future. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. He was also a great scholar and a teacher. When Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan became President of India, some of his former students wanted to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. But he suggested that instead of celebrating 5th September as his birthday, it would be a proud privilege if this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Since then 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. This day is celebrated by all students in India with great joy and happiness. It gives us an opportunity to express our gratitude towards our teachers. Teachers play a big role in building the character of students. They give us knowledge, believe in us, and help us achieve our dreams. They focus on improving the personality of the student and making them a good human being. They also prepare us to all your efforts and dedication. Thank you. Suhani Jha from 11th Commerce. शायरी बोलना चाहते हैं।
मिट्टी जिसने
शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। पहले गुरु का बंधन है, उनके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है। जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है। कुछ इसी तरह से हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है। थैंक यू।
अंजलि अम्बोरे फ्रॉम 11th कॉमर्स। ये भी शायरी बोले टीचर की
पहचान होती है। जिंदगी में टीचर का होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि टीचर की दुआ में ही हर मंजिल आसान होती है। सभी टीचर्स को टीचर्स डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
अंजलि एनीबडी